Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have TCL 501 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but you can't surf in it because you get this notification on your screen when you try search something. To fix it, tap on update date and time and we get fast access to our settings and date and time selection. In it, we must set time automatically off. To fix our problem we need to change it to use network provided time. And that's all, we can go back and try search something and it is working right now and we can use it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.